Hello, hello, everybody. This is Check with Bag. How are we doing this morning? So, today, what we are going to talk about is your Facebook. Okay, with your Facebook, you have a fan page, and then you have your group page. And what you want to do is, if you have a group, you can have multiple groups. So in each group, you would talk about things that are pertaining to that group. You don't want to give all of your information or all of your secrets away on your fan page. When you make a video or you post anything on there, you can direct them to the group. Then in that group is where they're going to find the information that you were talking about on your page. So for instance, let's say with my fan page, and I'm talking about, business things, what to do, what not to do. Those are generalized issues. But in my group, I go in more detail. I have trainings. I have done one-on-one through Messenger. That's where it gets more personal with your downline, your teammates, and you could do I do Q&As in my groups. I don't do them on my fan page. My fan page basically is to touch base on things that I do offer, things that I do talk about. I put a lot of quotes, inspirational quotes, videos, postings, pictures. I do put pictures of me, my daily activity, what I'm doing, because you want your audience to connect with you. You don't as so much want to look like you're all business. So if you had a Facebook page and they never seen you at all, never seen a picture of you, well, to me that would make me kind of wonder, okay, who is this person? All I'm seeing is inspirational quotes, or just quotes period, or a post that you're just talking about something. Never see a live, never see pictures of you of any kind, whether it's where you're working or what you're doing during the day, a regular lifestyle. Then people are going to start to wonder, how authentic are you? Are you a real person, or is this somebody sitting behind a computer and just posting things, right? Like there's plenty of fan pages out there for celebrities, are a lot of fan pages that are ran not so much by anybody that even the celebrity will know, just be some random person. And what are they doing? They're putting quotes on there. They're putting pictures of the celebrity. They'll change quotes that are in the picture to say what they want to say. So you really do not know if that is really controlled by the celebrity, or people that take care of their fans, or just a random person that decided, hey, I'm going to make a fan page for Joe Smo. Which I think would be kind of hard because you have to be careful of what you say. I mean, I would think you would have to be careful of what you say or what you do. And same thing with your Facebook. You don't want to give everything for free. You don't want to advertise whatever company that you're with. You don't want to plaster it all over your Facebook page, because it was me and I'm regular, Jane Smith coming along, and I'm looking at your profile, and you have on, your heading, your ID picture, a picture of you, the background picture you have of whatever company you work with. Then your heading's going to say something about your company or what you do in your company. Then the About Me page that you have is going to be all plastered of what your company says and what they do and what they can offer. Well, there's no need for me to contact you because you're giving everything away. So that's why when you have your fan page, you limit what you say on your fan page. When somebody goes to contact you and ask you questions, you can direct them to the group that is pertaining to that fan page, and in that group is where they will find information. And that's how you keep somebody interested. You direct them into there. Now, when they go to your fan page, they ask you questions. You do talk to them on, through Messenger. You don't give them everything. Most likely, like with me, I will ask questions about, what is it that you're doing? Because if they're doing enough on the internet, and to have you become questionable about what it is that they are doing, you're going to ask. Well, they'll send you information. That's what you could do with them. You send them information, what you're doing. You don't want to tell them too much at the very beginning unless they're actually completely serious in what they're doing. And the biggest thing is, the at-home business. Everybody is out there. They're all, looking for the at-home business, but people that are looking something that's for free, you're not going to get anywhere. You're going to keep pounding your head against the wall. You're not going to get any sign-ups. You're not going to get followers because you're going to start looking pretty spammy, like you don't know what you're doing. And I know because I've been there. I've done it at the very beginning. Now I have all these cords underneath here. Now I'm to the point where, I have my own office. It's a trailer, a double wide trailer. That's an office. They're doing construction outside. Right now they're demoing a building. So last week and this week I've been kind of nervous and looking out the window at what they're doing. And that's part of my journey, part of what I'm doing, where I'm going. I have put it on Facebook about, how it is, me being scared, and the bathrooms are like way over there, and I have to walk through all this mess, and I get scared about walking outside when they have this equipment going. So you just want to remember that with your Facebook page, not to do all that. I think last week I touched base about people buying followers. You don't know where they're coming from, especially if you go to a company. I'm not saying not to do it. There are good companies, there are bad companies. You have to do your own testing. You have to do your trial and error. I have done my own testing, and right now I have found one person that is through a company, and when I purchased it, they took my link, put it on a major website, so it shows that people are clicking on the link to the major website, not the link to my opportunity that I have. And that's a lesson you got to learn. So you have to do trial and error, make sure you keep track of it, of what you're doing, so that way you have it for your record. So most likely, am I going to use that person again? No, because I didn't get any outcome. I just got number wise on his end that yes, people were clicking to my link, but they were coming from places I didn't even know. That's not going to be any good. They can't read English. They can't speak English. And if you're, if you're English speaking or whatever country that you're in and that is your native language, well, when you advertise, you want to advertise to the group of people that can communicate with you. So let's say if you're Spanish, right? Or like me, okay, I speak English. I just know a little bit of Spanish, but I go and I start advertising in a Spanish-speaking community. They try to contact me. I'm not going to know what they say, and plus, anyway, my webpage, I don't know how to write it either. So you would have to go to a site, which you can Google, to convert your language. But here's the thing. So if you start to do that, every time somebody's going to contact you in their language, you're going to have to go back to that site to take their language and translate it into English to know what they're saying for you to comment back in their language. So it's because I have done that one too. I have done from English to Russian, and it's very hard because I would take everything that I would either say or put on a picture into Russian words, and then I would post it on that social media site. When people go to contact me back, then I have to go back to my translation site, put Russian into English translating to know exactly what they said. Then when I know what I want to say back, I have to go and translate it from English to Russian, go back to the site and post it. And that takes a very long time, especially if you do get a lot of people who interact with you in that other language to contact back. So if this happens to be any good value, like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Somebody could use this. I hope this helps you out. Till next time, this is Check with Beck. Bye.